Thank you for your trust in Hualian machinery and purchased our band sealer. Now let me introduce the basic installation and precautions when receiving the machine. After opening the box, firstly check whether the accessories are complete according to the pack list and whether the power cord is intact. Now we take out the machine. There is a yellow sticker about how to install the transmission shaft. In order to prevent machines from being affected during transportation, we will loosen the transmission shaft before shipment. As long as you follow the step, you can install it easily. Loosen the nut. Firstly, insert the transmission shaft into the connecting shaft and fix the screw. Adjust the distance between conveyor and wheels to avoid scratch, then tighten the nuts. Connect the power cord. Turn on the power switch. Then come to the step of heat up. Set the temperature controller to the suitable temperature. When the actual temperature is basically the same as the set temperature, machine can start to work. Now try one bag to see the effects. If the seal is not firm, adjust the temperature to be higher and then try again after actual temperature is reached. If the speed is too slow, you can rotate this knob to adjust. We need to adjust the temperature according to the bag thickness. Like kraft paper bag, the temperature needs to be set between 200 to 300 degrees. For normal plastic bag, set to 150 to 200 degrees. For the thin bag, just set to 100 to 150 degrees. These parameters are just for reference and you need to test according to different bags. If the machine you choose is with printing wheel, please take out the wheel to install the letter kits. First, use tool to unscrew the cover. Take out the silicone ring. Put into the letter kits. Put on the silicone ring and cover and tighten by tool. Please ensure the letter kits are not exposed. Take down the safety cover. Take down the guiding belt. Take down the embossing wheel. Install the printing wheel. Install the guiding belt. Install the safety cover. Finally, starting up to work. Above is the starting up video of our FRD-750E. In addition, there are some cautions. The appropriate operation can greatly extend the machine life. Turn off the heater switch first and wait for 5 minutes before turning off the power, which can extend the life of the sealing belt. Check whether the gears are lubricated every 3 months. If not, please add grease in time. It can extend the life of the gear. In addition, check whether the carbon brush is worn. The normal size is 1.8 cm and need to be replaced once below 1 cm. Please remember to cut off the power before checking. The other one is here and the replacement method is same. Please check whether the sealing belt has rough edges after using every time. If yes, please change it in time. Add the lubricating oil into the bearing of front and rear conveyor roller every 2 weeks. The easy wearing parts are sealing belts, guiding belts, carbon brush, fuse. If any abnormal, please change in time. Okay, above is our FRD-750E operation procedures. Please save the manual and the certification to check the operation method and after-sales service. If you still have doubt, please call us. Our after-sales department will answer in time.